Okay folks, here we go. What we are very thankful for at Icing Images is this amazing electronic cutter. We sell 2 electronic cutters, folks, but for now we are talking about the Cricut. We have packaged this so it's food safe. It's properly labeled. If the health department comes in, it actually has the proper information on it to make sure that you don't get in trouble for using something that was not originally made for food. However, our labeling system has worked for years on our printers as well as now on our electronic cutters. Now let me tell you about this amazing machine. It does all kinds of things. It slices, it dices. Actually, it slices. I guess it could dice. Anyway, I was just kidding around there. All right, so you can use edible markers with it. You can use stencil material. This is a food safe stencil, folks. The instructions come in with the machine talking about which mat to use for different items so that everything is food safe. In addition, you can use your edible printer and you can imprint and then cut out the designs you make using our edible paper. Yep, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Awesome. You know what else you can do? You can cut fondant or gum paste. And with your package, you actually get a little sheet that talks about all the different settings for the different types of fondant, gum paste, and even the magic chocolate. It cuts that as well. So here we cut out 6 hearts. This is our little storage container, and I can just show you how nicely these cut out. This right here is Fat Daddy is fondant, but it works with many other brands as well. Look at this. 6 hearts. I'm in love. Create your stencils or silk screens. We have packages for that as well. This is a stencil I made. It's amazing. Cost me pennies. Yes, pennies. And I can reuse it as many times as I want. In addition, with this fabulous machine, you get a free month to the Colorful Cookie Club. So many free items there, so many tutorials there. It'll knock your socks off. It's pretty amazing. You're gonna love it. This is a must-have for Christmas. We're very thankful for it. And I know you will enjoy it too. So write this on your list. Forget the list. Get it for yourself now. Why wait? We can use this during the Christmas season, huh? Icing Images, thankful for the electronic cutter.